Hello, Brad Doan, Bad to the Bone Outdoors. I'm on my way to the Ausable Loop Campground, just east of Mayo, Michigan. And tomorrow I'm also going to kayak down the Ausable River down to McKinley, Michigan. Should be a good relaxing time. The weather's going to be perfect. I'll take you along. All right, beautiful area. Beautiful, out of the way campground. If you want privacy, this is where you go. It's gonna be my home for the next couple of days. All right, I think I'm basically set up. Got my kayak and my bike there for tomorrow. Got my tent there. Got my comfortable chair. And a little hop, skip, and a jump from my campsite. The majestic and famous Ausable River. Oh man. Wow. What have I been sitting at my campsite for? Very nice. I think I'm gonna come set up my chair down here and maybe go for a swim. Cast a few. Back at camp, time to prepare some dinner. Love my peppers. Today I'm cooking up some leftover turkey that I have. Special sauce in it. Make it like a flour tortilla taco. It's going to be delicious. A little bit of oil in there. Add a few peppers on there. Looks good.
UPS.
All right. Ooh. All right. Oh yeah. My pepper's on good toast. Very good. And I still have my sweet potato and my corn to eat. Morning. All right, well, for breakfast this morning, I'm going to keep it real simple. A little slice of rustic oven bread. Going to be on the fire there. Some apple butter with it. And the old standby, a banana in the morning. All right. It's going to be a great day, as you can see the sun behind me. All right, what I am doing now is I'm leaving my campsite and driving my truck down to the McKinley Bridge with my bike in the back of the truck. I'm going to drop my truck off at in McKinley, ride my bike back to the campsite, and then kayak to my truck, and then drive back to the campsite. Ought to be a good day on the river. And so begins my 8-mile bike ride back to my kayak. Good thing it's a beautiful day. Made it. I think I'm ready for this kayak trip. I got a funny story to share. As I got back to my campsite and was getting ready to put my kayak back in the water here to start my kayak trip, I realized I forgot my paddle. My paddle was back in my truck in McKinley. So I figured, oh, what the heck. It's a nice day. Got on my bike, rode the 8 miles back to my truck, got my paddle, started riding the 8 miles back, and lo and behold, a car pulling a small trailer pulled up and says, hey, you need some help? You want to ride? I'm just like, yes, I do. It turned out it was Sean and Mary stopped and helped me out. They gave me a ride back to my campsite, and come to find out they own 2 motels in Mayo, the Northern and the Pinewood. So if you're ever in Mayo, give them their business, the Northern and the Pinewood. They're very nice people. So shout out to Sean and Mary. Thank you very much. All right, now I think it's about time I start my kayak trip. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Very nice. Much needed after all that bike riding. Very nice. Nice and relaxing. Well, just saw a deer over there, a doe. Tried to get him on video, but before I could turn the camera on, he ran off. Still very nice out here. Hope everyone's having a good day. here we are. There's McKinley Bridge and McKinley Landing. We made it. There's the famous McKinley Bridge. Alright, maybe we'll stop at DJ's Tavern for a beer and a burger. DJ Scenic. Well, I got back from a kayak trip and sat in my chair there and took a little cat nap. I was gonna grill a steak, but as I'm looking around, the weather took a major change. It's gray skies and like a 70% chance of rain. I'm hearing some thunder, so I may call it an early night, and maybe I'll have to cook my steak in the morning. So, all right, maybe I'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna see what the weather holds up. Well, it's morning. It rained last night. It rained pretty good, but luckily I stayed nice and dry in my trusty tent. So I'm gonna get some coffee and breakfast going. All right, a little bit of bacon action. Nothing like steak for breakfast.
Just kind of hanging out. Let me ask you, this has ever happened to you. You're walking your grocery cart back to the designated drop-off.
Oh yeah. We have a good breakfast. All right, I think the steak looks good. Put that over here. Grab a couple pieces of toast. All right, good looking toast here. Go with my steak. Cup of coffee. Perfect. All right, breakfast all done. Time to start tearing down camp, unfortunately. It's gonna be another beautiful day. I'd like to be on the river again, but time to tear down camp. That didn't take too long. Camp is all torn down. I'm probably gonna hop in the Ausable River before the trip home. It's been a good couple of days. Brad Doan, Bad to the Bone Outdoors. Please press like and subscribe. Ausable Loop Campground. Come visit.